Your phone is at 1%, you're in Tokyo, your flight board's in 20 minutes, and your charger doesn't fit the outlet. That right there is a travel nightmare, and it happens to millions of people every single day. But what if 15 tiny gadgets, each one small enough to sit in the palm of your hand, could eliminate every travel disaster before it even happens? Dead batteries, stolen luggage, unbearable noise, brutal heat, zero signal, all of it solved. I'm talking gadgets so compact you'll forget they're in your bag, but so powerful you'll never travel without them again. Welcome back to Smart Invention, where we bring you the future of tech before the rest of the world catches on. Well, today we've got you covered. We're counting down 15 tiny, pocket-sized travel tech gadgets that solve massive real-world problems. These aren't just cool gadgets. These are travel lifesavers. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're gonna want every single one of them in your bag. Let's get into it. Gadgets 1. TESSAN 65W International Travel Adapter. Kicking things off with number 1. And if you travel internationally even once a year, this thing is non-negotiable. Here's the problem. Every country has different outlets, and most international adapters, they charge your laptop so slowly, you'd think you were living in 2005. Meet the TESSAN 65W Travel Adapter. This tiny cube, and I mean tiny, works in over 150 countries. 150. But here's what makes it special. It packs a 65-watt fast-charging USB-C port right inside. So you can charge your MacBook and your phone at the same time without dragging around a bulky power brick. One cube, every country, full speed. Number 1, checked. But number 2? This one is going to completely change the way you think about power banks. Stay with me. Gadget 2. Anker MagGo 10K Wireless Power Bank. This one is genuinely genius. Here's the problem. Your phone dies midday while you're navigating through a city you've never been to before. You pull out your power bank, but now you've got a cable dangling between your phone and your pocket like some kind of tech spaghetti. Annoying, embarrassing, a complete mess. There had to be a better way, and Anker, they delivered. Meet the Anker MagGo 10K, a Qi2 certified wireless power bank that doesn't dangle, doesn't cable, doesn't fumble. It just snaps. Magnetically locks onto the back of your iPhone like it was always supposed to be there. Charging at a blazing 15 watts while you walk, navigate, take photos, whatever you need. And it gets better. It has a built-in kickstand, so when you're on a long flight and want to watch a movie hands-free, prop it up, done. Oh, and that little smart display on the front? It shows you exactly how much battery is left. No guessing, no surprises. Wireless, magnetic, effortless. That's the Anker MagGo 10K. 2 down, 13 to go. And number 3, say goodbye to every annoying sound that's ever ruined a flight for you. Gadget 3. Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Number 3. And every single person who has ever sat next to a screaming baby on a 10-hour flight needs to hear this. Here's the problem. Airplane cabins are loud, engine roar, crying kids, loud conversations, and if you're trying to sleep or focus, forget it. Standard earbuds just don't cut it. And bulky over-ear headphones? They take up half your carry-on bag. There had to be a smarter solution. And Google absolutely nailed it. Meet the Pixel Buds Pro 2. Ultra compact earbuds with elite active noise cancellation built right in. These things disappear into your ears. You won't even feel them. But the moment you hit play, the cabin noise, gone. The engine roar, gone. That screaming baby 3 rows back, gone. Hours of peaceful, uninterrupted flight time in a package so small it fits in your front pocket. No bulk, no wires, no compromise. And the sound quality? Absolutely world class. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or taking a work call from 35,000 feet, these deliver every single time. Small ears, big silence. That's the Pixel Buds Pro 2. And number 4, this one is for every traveler who has ever missed an incredible moment because they were too busy staring at a phone screen. And this one right here is for every traveler who has ever missed an incredible moment because they were too busy fumbling with their phone trying to get the perfect shot. Here's the problem. Filming travel adventures on a smartphone is a nightmare. You're staring at a screen instead of living the moment. The footage comes out shaky. You miss the wide angle. You miss the atmosphere. You miss the feeling of being there. And by the time you've adjusted the frame, the moment is already gone. Enter the Insta360 X5. And this thing is on another level. Powered by a triple AI chip system. Yes, 3 dedicated AI chips. This waterproof action camera records everything around you in full 360 degrees. Every direction, every angle, every single moment, all at once. Here's how it works. You just hit record, then you put the camera down and actually live your experience. Climb the mountain, jump in the ocean, run through the market. And later, using the AI tracking system, you go back and reframe the perfect cinematic shot from any angle you want. It's like having a professional camera crew following you everywhere. Waterproof, AI-powered, 360 degrees of pure travel magic. This isn't just a camera, it's a time machine for your memories. 4 down, 11 to go. And number 5, imagine walking through the hottest city on Earth and feeling perfectly cool. That's exactly what's coming next. Gadget 5 TORRAS Coolify Wearable Neck Air Conditioner. Number 5. And if you've ever traveled to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, or anywhere near the equator in the middle of summer, you already know the pain. Here's the problem. Sweltering, suffocating heat waves while you're trying to explore outdoor markets, ancient ruins, or tropical destinations. The sun is blazing, the humidity is brutal, and there is absolutely nowhere to escape it. You can't carry an air conditioner in your pocket. Or, can you? Meet the TORRAS Coolify, the world's most insane wearable neck air conditioner. This sleek, futuristic device wraps around your neck like a collar and uses semiconductor cooling plates to pump ice-cold air directly onto your skin. We're talking an instant drop in your perceived body temperature. Even standing in direct sunlight, even in 100-degree heat. No ice, no water, no bulky fan strapped to your face. Just clean, silent, semiconductor-powered cooling, right where your body needs it most. It's lightweight, it's rechargeable, and it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Hot destinations just became a whole lot more comfortable. 5 down, 10 to go. And number 6? This one solves a problem that most travelers don't even realize is destroying their trips until it's too late. Number 6, and this one is for every traveler who has ever arrived at their destination completely drained. Not from the journey, but from the noise. Here's the problem. Travel is loud. Screaming city traffic, packed trains, crowded hostels at 2 in the morning, construction outside your hotel window. Constant sensory overload of being somewhere new can absolutely wreck you and ruin your sleep before a big day of exploring. Regular foam earplugs help, but they make you feel completely disconnected from the world. And noise-canceling headphones? Too bulky, too obvious, too much. Meet the Loop Switch 2. And these are not your average earplugs. These are tiny, beautifully designed mechanical earplugs with a genius feature that no other earplug has. A physical switch built right into the body. One click and you're in conversation mode. You can still hear the world around you, just at a comfortable, manageable level. Another click and you drop into total quiet mode. Full sound protection, complete peace. Wherever you are, no Bluetooth, no battery, no app. Just a simple, satisfying physical switch that gives you total control over your sonic environment in 1 second. Loud hostel? Click, quiet. Busy train? Click, peaceful. Screaming city streets? Click, silence. Small, mechanical, absolutely brilliant. 6 down, 9 to go, and number 7? This one has saved more travelers from genuine emergencies than you could ever imagine, and it fits on your keychain. Number 7, and this one has gotten travelers out of situations that could have gone very badly. Here's the problem. Power outages in foreign hotels are more common than you think. Unlit alleyways in unfamiliar cities, pitch black hostel dorms at midnight, or that heart soup moment when your passport slides under the airplane seat and disappears into complete darkness. In those moments, your phone torch just doesn't cut it. It drains your battery, it's awkward to hold, and it's never bright enough when you actually need it. Meet the RovyVon EDC Flashlight, and prepare to be absolutely shocked by what this tiny thing can do. This flashlight is smaller than your thumb. We're talking genuinely tiny. It clips right onto your keychain and sits there completely unnoticed until the moment you need it. And then, it unleashes 1,000 lumens of pure, blinding light. 1,000 lumens. From something smaller than your thumb. That's not a flashlight, that's a weapon against darkness. Hotel power goes out, you're the most prepared person in the building. Dark alleyway, you own it. Passport under the seat? Found in seconds. It's the gadget you never think about until it's the only gadget that matters. Always on your keys, always ready, always powerful. 7 down, 8 to go. And number 8, every traveler who has ever been charged extra at the airline baggage counter is going to love this one. Number 8, and if you have ever stood at an airline check-in counter, sweating, watching the scale tick over the weight limit, this one is going to hit different. Here's the problem. Power banks are heavy. The standard 10,000 milliamp hour brick that most travelers carry feels like a literal rock in your pocket. It weighs down your bag. It pushes your carry-on over the limit. And by the end of a long travel day, you feel every single gram of it. But you need the backup power. You can't just leave it at home. So what do? Meet the NITECORE NB+. And this thing rewrites every rule about what a power bank is supposed to feel like. This is the world's lightest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Full stop. The entire frame is built from premium carbon fiber, the same material used in aerospace engineering and Formula 1 race cars. It's impact resistant, it's incredibly strong, and it weighs barely anything. You pick it up, MJK in your brain genuinely cannot process it. It feels like you're holding air, but don't let that fool you. This thing packs serious, heavy-duty backup power, enough to fully charge your phone multiple times over. Light as a feather, strong as steel, packed with power. This is what every power bank should be. 8 down, 7 to go. And number 9, this one is so small, so impossibly small, that when you see it next to a laptop charger, you're gonna think it's a joke. It is absolutely not a joke. Number 9, and this one will genuinely make your jaw drop. You need to charge your laptop, but your tech pouch is already overflowing. There is zero space for a bulky charger. This is the Rolling Square Supertiny, the smallest 65-watt GAN charger ever built. It's literally smaller than an AirPods case, but it pumps out enough raw power to fast charge a full-size laptop. Smallest charger, biggest power, period. 9 down, 6 to go. And number 10, this one brings the party. Waterproof, sandproof, and it actually floats. Number 10, and this one is for every traveler who has suffered through tinny, embarrassing smartphone speakers at the beach or poolside. Here's the problem. You want music. Real music. But your phone speaker sounds like it's broadcasting from inside a tin can. Meet the Altec Lansing Mini H2O. Ultra-rugged, pocket-sized, and completely waterproof. Sandproof, too. And here's the best part. It actually floats. Face up, in the water, so your music never stops, no matter where the adventure takes you. Big sound. Zero compromise. Total freedom. 10 down. 5 to go. And number 11, this one solves the one problem every minimalist traveler absolutely hates. A bulging, ugly wallet tracker. Number 11, and this one is pure genius in the thinnest package imaginable. Here's the problem. Standard luggage and wallet trackers are thick. They create an ugly, obvious bulge inside your sleek, minimalist travel wallet. Every time you pull it out, it looks like you're carrying a brick. Meet the Rolling Square AirCard. A Bluetooth tracker precision engineered to the exact thickness of a credit card. It slides into any wallet slot perfectly, completely flush, completely invisible. But don't let the size fool you. This thing connects to global tracking networks to locate your lost wallet anywhere on Earth. Credit card thin, worldwide reach. Your wallet just got a whole lot smarter. And number 12, every traveler who has ever packed the wrong cable is going to feel this one deeply. Number 12, and every single traveler has lived this nightmare at least once. Here's the problem. You need to charge your device, but you brought the wrong cable or the wrong adapter. Your USB-C device needs a micro USB port. Your lightning cable won't reach, and the one cable you need? Sitting on your desk at home. Meet the Yesimla USB adapter and cable kit. A credit card-sized travel kit that contains a universal Type-C cable, every single adapter head you could ever need, and a built-in SIM card ejector tool. Every connection, every device, one card. Done. 12 down. 3 to go. And number 13, what if you never had to pack more than one cable ever again? Number 13, and this one is about to simplify your entire packing routine forever. Here's the problem. You've got a laptop, an iPhone, a Kindle, a camera, and every single one of them needs a different cable. That's 4 cables minimum, tangled, heavy, taking up precious space in your already packed tech pouch. Meet the rolling square inCharge XL. A single ultra-durable 100-watt cable with a 6-in-1 folding tip design, USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, any input, any output. One cable handles all of it. One cable to rule them all. Pack it once. Never think about cables again. And number 14, remote workers. This next one is going to completely transform how you work on the road. Number 14, and remote workers. This one is going to blow your mind. Here's the problem. Working remotely from a cramped coffee shop table or airplane tray means constantly looking down at a flat phone screen. Your neck hurts. Your productivity suffers. And setting up a proper workstation on the road feels completely impossible. Meet the Rolling Square Edge Pro, an ultra-thin magnetic mounting system that clips your phone directly onto the side of your laptop screen, instantly creating a seamless dual-monitor workstation anywhere, anytime. Coffee shop, airport lounge, air tray, instant productivity, instant upgrade, 14 down, 1 to go. And we saved the absolute best for last. Airlines losing your luggage? Never again. And finally, number 15, the one gadget that could save your entire trip before it even starts. Here's the problem. Airlines lose millions of bags every single year, and when they do, you're completely blind. No idea where your luggage is. No idea if it even made the flight. Meet the Apple AirTag 2. Featuring upgraded ultra-wideband chips, a significantly louder speaker, and extended tracking range, this tiny token lets you pinpoint your luggage's exact location inside the airport, before the airline even knows it's lost. Your bags, your control, always. 15 gadgets, 15 massive problems, all solved. And there you have it, 15 tiny travel tech gadgets that are completely changing the way the world travels. Every single one of these fits in your carry-on. Every single one solves a real problem. And together, they make you the most prepared traveler in any airport, on any flight, in any country on Earth. If this video gave you your next travel essential, smash that like button. It helps Smart Invention reach more tech lovers just like you. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we drop the future of tech every single week. Drop a comment below. Which gadget are you grabbing first? I want to know. Until next time, travel smart, travel light, and always stay ahead of the tech curve. This is Smart Invention. I'll see you in the next one.